Right, all right, all right. I hope you can learn something about this video. Grab a cup of coffee for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Maybe you might learn something. If you don't, I'm really sorry. But just watch me, okay? 25 PSI on my HDE base Wacom 1.3 Envirobase PPG.
Alright, so my name is Gabriel. I am here to serve you, and I am here to hopefully you'll learn something. My name is Gabriel Marino. I am the crazy dude that you're seeing there on screen, and I'm so glad that you are here. I'm so glad that you're here. I really am, because you might learn something, and you might learn what not to do.
I'm gonna use my Motivated Painter's blower to dry this first coat of base, and then the second one, boom, lay it on. Son! How long was that? A minute maybe? Not even. Take your breakers! 25! Nice and heavy. Moon it, baby. Moon it. Half moon that. Half moon that. Half moon that. Dab that. Beautiful. Okay. See how I'm using one of the only guns that I can do the half moon blend with is with my Wacom every time. When you think you're done drying, keep blowing. So that was 4 minutes and 38 seconds. All right, I put on a heavy second coat, like it was heavy, and it's very humid in here today. But because the air is coming straight out of the airline with filters, then it cuts down on the humidity. So check it out. I blew this. I'm pressing really hard. This base is ready for another coat. Okay, no doubt about it. Okay, I don't want to redo a whole side of a Porsche. Do you? I don't. So why the heck would I cut corners and not have the base dry? Beats me. Anyways, so there you have it. 4 minutes and 38 seconds, ready to go for another coat. Perfect example. So even after 5 minutes now, the bumper's still wet, like soaking wet. All right. So that's the difference between having an amazing tool like the Wacom blower, which is why I sell it. If it wasn't good, I wouldn't. And not having it, right? Dry, ready for another coat, soaking wet, you're not putting another coat. I'm gonna put the pressure down. 18 PSI. Now watch me whip. Now watch me nene.
I don't know how you put up with this guy. This guy's an idiot. Anyway, so as you can tell, the half moon blend is already working. Like, it's already doing a great job, and this gun certainly helps. But you can see the blender just starting to disappear, and I'm doing a double control there, so you can tell I started on the bottom of the door, then I worked my way up to the quarter, and then I came right back and did the same thing again. And that works very, very well. It works for me every single time. If you want to check out a little bit more of double control codes, you can go to the silver playlist, and I do it every time.
Yes. Now I'm gonna go dry the bumper while my control code dries, because the bumper is soaking.
I just felt like making you dizzy here, but just to show you a little bit how fast this thing works. I'm gonna let the stuff flash off, and then we'll be ready for a clear.
You're always gonna give it around 5 to 10 minutes, preferably 10 minutes before you clear it. Let all that water get out of there. Let the water go. Here we go. Using my WADA WS400 with a 1.2. I'm trying it out. It's a bit slow to me, but I'm liking the finish because you can't put too much material on, kind of deal. You know what I mean? So I'm really liking it. First go to clear. You're gonna stop right there. Go like this. Stop. Let go of the trigger. Let go of the trigger. Let go of the trigger there. And then on your second coat, you can go all the way. And the reason why is because you don't want over apply clear there, because then you'll see a huge difference there. All right, little tip for you. I love ya so much. 32 psi.
All right, so I just wanted to jump in here and just give you a little bit of narration of what's going on right now. Right now, I am farting up a storm inside that suit, and also my back is hurting, and I'm just thinking of how much of a painter I am and how much I suck and all that, you know, fun stuff that you think of while you're painting. I'm just kidding. So you can tell I started at the bottom of the door and then I worked my way up. Now, one of my subscribers saw me doing it the other way and he said, "Oh, why do you do it that way?" I said, "I don't know, I've always done it that way." And then what happened was he recommended me doing the other way. Go from down up on the first coat, and then on the second coat to go from up and down. So I tried it, and I've been doing it like that ever since. So whoever you were, I don't remember. I'm sorry, forgive me. But thank you for the advice. And I always try out different things because I'm always one of learning. You know, I'm always one of learning. First, I think I need to learn how to speak English. But yeah, I'm always learning, and I really do appreciate all your comments. It means a lot.
So this is EC530, so I gave it 8 minutes, okay? You want to do that, not 5 minutes. Forget about 5 minutes. 5 minutes EC520. This, EC530, you want to give it 10 minutes and then hammer on another coat. One little tip for you that I kind of do subconsciously outside of the booth before I come in the booth is I blow myself off every single time. Blow everything off, all right? That's a tip for you that I may not say it enough. It makes a huge difference.
That's one of the things that you just I kind of now like subconsciously just do it. You know, before I come in the booth, I blow myself off really well. Excuse me. With the blower, and I'm always trying to keep myself clean. I always wearing gloves. You look underneath your fingernails, there's probably dirt, there's probably dead skin under there, which is gonna end up in your paint job. Because think about it, you're contracting and you're contracting your fingers, right? On and off, and that's opening up the little gap in between your nails and your skin. So what is that gonna give you? That's gonna give you dirt. It's gonna give you dead skin on your paint job. And the thing about getting a clean paint job, I don't get clean paint jobs all the time, alright? Don't ever think that, please. Like, I honestly, like, I'm just another painter, like you, and, you know, like, please, don't ever think my paint jobs are perfect, by all means. Please, don't do that. But what I'm trying to tell you is that I did a video on a whole side of a 5 series that I didn't have to polish because I took so many precautions. The thing about getting clean paint jobs, and I want you to understand this, and I want you to get this, because the moment I got this, it made a huge difference with my paint jobs. All right, so it's not the one thing that you do to get clean paint jobs. It's the everything that you do put together. You know what I mean? So like, you can't just take flour and eggs and make bread. You have to take flours, you have to take eggs, you have to take butter, you have to take this and that, and all those ingredients together make that awesome, gorgeous bread that gives me a big belly. And that's the closest, you know, example I can give you. But anyways, enough on that. Watch that video. I'll probably put it here on the side, on the top or something like that. But I got a really cool video coming up for you guys, and I hope that you really enjoy it. I'll be spraying different products just for fun at a friend's shop. But anyway, so I worked my way up there from the S panel, the sail panel, and then worked my way down. As you can tell, I'm going really slow. but it's because of this 1.2 tip. It's a slow tip. But I'm so happy with this job. Like, look at it. It looks amazing. It looks awesome. I was so happy with it. Is it perfect? No, it's not. And you always have to remember that, boys and girls.
Beautiful. So as you can tell, I'm going so slow. But the finish, it's almost worth it. Like, seriously. And it looks like I'm putting a lot of clear on there, but I'm really, really not. Check it out. It looks awesome. I love it. But is it perfect? Heck no! Because I painted it, alright? I'm gonna continue here on the bumper and stuff, and I hope you get something out of this video. I mean, look at the blend. There's a little dent in the blender, but it's not a big deal. But, you know, we can say confidently, what blend? I'm very happy with it. I'm super happy with it, okay? And like I said, with that Wacom HDE 1.3 for Envirobase, works amazing. Every time I do the half moon blend, okay? I should coin that phrase. Anyways, I love you. God bless you. Please order a blower to support the channel. I am asking you to buy something. Yes, I am. I am selling something to you. Instead of asking for money, I am trying to provide an amazing product, and I hope that you take advantage of that. I love you so much. Peace out.